Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm about to show you a new website where you will be able to make $420 for every single sale you make. Now you don't have to go out and actually sell it. I'm going to show you a method using which you'll be able to make bulk money using this method. So this method does not need you to have any kind of content creation skills. You can be from anywhere in this world and still make money using this method. This method is absolutely free to use and can be used by anyone from anywhere in this world. This method is so simple that in fact someone with as low as skills of a 15-year-old can apply it. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need any kind of skills to make this method successful. I am about to reveal you everything in this video which is needed for you to make money online using this amazing website, and then we'll be talking about another app which will be able to give you hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day using their own system. About that app I'll be talking later in this video when the main method is finished. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now without wasting any other time, let's get started with this video. So guys, as you can see that we are on this website called as crowdfireapp.com, crowdfireapp.com. So you need to go to this website after this video is finished. Now this website is a platform which helps people manage their social media accounts. That means there are people who are having accounts on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and many other social media websites. So this website actually helps them to post content to these applications on an automated basis. That means they don't have to manually go out and publish content on all of these platforms. This app is going to do that for them. Now, what are the various features you get with this app? So when you click on features, you can see content creation features, publishing features, analytics features and mentions features. In content creation features, as you can see that this is an amazing app. What this will do is that it will automatically curate articles and content. It will customize the RSS feed. It will automatically curate the images. So that's really good. Like just imagine you are entering a caption and then people will be able to get an image recommendation for it. In the same way, it is going to show you relevant articles and it is also going to curate content from your blog or e-commerce store. So there is so much this application offers on AI basis. Then another feature is publishing. That means this app will help you to publish on your Twitter accounts, Instagram accounts, Facebook accounts, LinkedIn accounts or any other social media account. As you can see that it's one app which is built for everywhere. You can even post on Pinterest or LinkedIn using this application. Now there is one more benefit that you can schedule these posts in advance and then they'll be automatically posted. You can even see the post previews with their own inbuilt system and then it will automatically recommend you that this is the best time, so you have to post it on that time. Now there is also a queue meter which comes with it and many other countless features which will help anyone grow their social media. Now the best part is the analytics. You can actually see the type of content which is generating the maximum engagement. People will actually able to see that what content is generating maximum engagement, and on the same basis they'll get recommendation. These recommendations will help them to grow their social media. So as you can see that what we are going to do is we are going to promote this application, and as you can see that they have some really cool features, and that's why a lot of people are interested to buy an application like this. Now there is one more feature called as mentions, in that if anyone on the internet mentions you, you will get a notification. So you can see that the features are actually countless and people are definitely interested in a product as good as these. But the thing is, this product is not very popular right now. So what we need to do is we need to promote this product. Now what benefit will it give us? So let me show you something. There is this tab called as pricing, and when you go to the pricing tab, you'll see that they offer various plans. So there's a free plan, there's a VIP plan. In the VIP plan, the cost is $78 per month and it will help manage 25 social media accounts. In the same way, the monthly price is $99.99. The plus plan comes as low as $9.99. The plus plan on annual basis comes at just $7.48 per month. So as you can see that it's a great tool. Obviously it has some good pricing. The reason is it has so amazing features. Now what we are going to do is On the end of this pricing page, you'll find a button called as affiliates referral. You need to click on that link. Now here you can see that refer and earn up to $420 for every customer. Just imagine how much money is $420. So even if you manage to make one sale of $420 and a few other sales, you'll be able to make around $150 to $200 every single week. So just imagine the amount of money you are going to make on a regular basis if you start promoting Crowdfire. Now as you can see that invite anyone to join Crowdfire and will give you a 35% of all payments that they make in the first year. That means if someone signs up for a monthly payment of $99, you'll be getting $35 every single month for 1 year. 35% generous commissions, earn in cash. It's free to join. The payouts are very quick. And the best part is there are unlimited earnings. The tracking and reports are so easy to understand that you can actually see what is the best way for you to promote it to get even higher engagement and even higher conversions. Now after you have signed up, you can get your affiliate link and then start promoting it link in the step number 2. And the third is as soon as they spend, you make money. So this is how easy it is. Now I want to show you something even awesome. You can see that there are customer reviews from all the people from all across the world. And you can see that they're so happy with this service. In the same way, the people you are going to promote it to are also going to be happy. So you need to click on this join now button here to join their affiliate program. Now when you go to that, there will be a form which will come in front of you which you need to sign up. So as you can see, it is asking you for your email, or you can sign up directly using Google. So it depends on what method you want to choose, but I hope whichever you choose works for you, as it's a very simple thing to do. You can just click on sign in with Google, and within just a click you'll be able to log in and generate your affiliate URL. Now how are you going to promote that affiliate URL? So it's also very simple. You need to go to 3 places. The first place is Quora. You need to go to Quora and search for questions related to social media growth and then answer them with your unique affiliate link. The second place is Facebook groups. You need to find Facebook groups related to social media growth. There are tons and tons of Facebook groups where people are asking how should I grow my social media? Is there any automated tool which I can use? So you need to go to all of these and just send them this link and their message. No other thing is needed. And the third place I would definitely recommend you is Pinterest. On Pinterest, there are a lot of entrepreneurs who are looking forward for someone to create their images, to post those images on their social media and many other such stuff which is related to their social media. This app is one for all, which is needed for anyone to manage their social media accounts, and that's why everyone you send to this app would definitely be interested. And if they have the budget, they'll definitely purchase it and you will make your money this way. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.